Welcome to the world of strength and precision, the HK300A Welding Machine. Overcoming all challenges, protecting you every second. The HK300A Welding Machine delivers a power output of up to 300 amps, allowing you to weld powerfully with rods ranging from 2.6 to 6 millimeters in size. Especially with a duty cycle of 100% at 40 degrees Celsius, you can weld continuously without worrying about overheating or work interruptions. With the digital display on the welding machine, controlling and adjusting the welding current has never been easier. You can monitor the actual welding current, making your work more precise and efficient. The HK300A welding machine is equipped with an intelligent protection system with an LED indicator that signals when the machine's temperature exceeds the allowed limit. This not only helps protect the machine, but also extends its lifespan and ensures long-term stable performance. When the welding rod sticks to the workpiece, the arc force function of the HK300A welding machine automatically increases the welding current by 20 to 50%, helping you maintain a stable arc. This feature is extremely useful when working with difficult materials or in challenging environments with many unfavorable factors. With the hot start feature, when you initiate the arc, the welding current automatically increases by 20 to 50% compared to the initial setting. This makes it easier than ever to start the arc, especially when welding on dirty surfaces or using damp welding rods. The HK300A welding machine also features significant energy savings thanks to its automatic cooling fan mechanism. The fan only operates when the machine's temperature reaches 52 degrees Celsius and stops when the temperature drops to 40 degrees Celsius. This not only saves electricity, but also helps reduce dust intake into the machine, protecting the components for long-term durability. The HK300A digital welding machine is not just a tool, but a great companion for every project. With powerful performance, energy efficiency, device protection, and outstanding results for every welding task, it's the perfect choice. Experience it today. Visit our website to order the HK300A welding machine with the support of our professional advisory team. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments if you need more information.